This is Risa, and thank you for joining me on my expedition of making Jamaican Easter bun. This is a bun that it is used at Easter time, and it's always served with cheese. They serve it on Good Friday. That's one of the main time that it's used, and they also use it on Easter Sunday, and if any is left over, it goes for Easter Monday too. So today I'm doing this, but it's a quick video. This is not going to be long and dragged out with all the steps, because I'm sure you can find that on YouTube. And so I'm just doing a quick one to show you that it's not hard. It's very easy to do. And so what I did, I mixed all my liquids in a pot, warm it, melted the butter, added the Guinness. I use Guinness because I like Guinness. So I put Guinness in mine, and with the sugar and the molasses, and I have the flour here already sifted with cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice and baking powder. I'm not doing yeast. I'm not doing yeast at all. I'm doing the baking powder. So much easier than the yeast, having to raise it, having it raised and blah, blah, blah. And I've got my fruits here, and I've got my pans ready. So if you want to stay ahead and join me, it's wonderful. Thank you. Let's do this. Okay. And we've got it all mixed in. And I will add my liquid here that is already melted butter. And we'll do half. I'll have the recipe in the description box if you're interested. I find this bun to be very, very tasty. Not only is it easy, but it's tasty. And I'm just adding the liquid in 3 parts, which is much better to do than to add the whole thing and try to mix it in. And the thing is, I see a lot of people over mixing their bun recipe, and the bun recipe does not need to be over mixed. Adding up more liquid, yep, and just add it all. I like adding it in 3s. Okay, and we'll just mix it all in now. And as I say, don't overmix your bun batter, because the bun will become kind of rubbery. And you want your bun to be moist, almost cake-like. Not really cakey, but a little more firm than a cake. You don't want it to be rubbery. So, this is perfect. And I'll add fruits now. This is mixed peel, raisins, and some green cherries. And I'll just add that to it. And I'll mix it in now. Just fold it in nicely. Easily. There we go. And as I said, bun is a staple at Easter time in Jamaica. It's just a favorite of everyone loves bun. And most people can't see themselves not having bun at Easter time. And they'll have fried fish with the bun. And of course, you've got to have cheese. What's bun without cheese? Just not gonna work. And so, okay, so this is nicely mixed. I have my pans all ready. And my oven is preheated to 325 degrees. There you go, it's all set. Just beeped. This is lovely. The consistency is great. And what I'll do here is add just a few cherries on top, just for a nice little decoration. It's always nice. The eyes eat first. So if your product looks good, more than likely it's going to taste good. I'll rest it here and I'll do the other one. A smaller pan. This one I'm going to be giving away to a friend. So gotta get out every bit out of the mixing bowl. Here we are. And I'll just put some green, beautiful green cherries on. Aha. All right. Sink it a little bit because, okay. So here we are. We'll bake this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, and it's 325. And so, thank you. I'll be right back when it's all done and looking delicious, and we'll share it. Okay? Finished product, and it's looking so good. Not only is it looking good, it smells amazing. And I know it's gonna taste just as good, because it always does. This is it. It's really moist. I can tell you it's just moist, moist, moist. So I hope you guys have a really fantastic Easter. I hope you eat whatever it is that you're eating, whether it's Jamaican Easter bun, hot cross bun, carrot cake, whatever it is that's on your table. I hope you enjoy it. And thank you for visiting our channel. It is a new channel that I'm trying to grow, so I would appreciate if you subscribe. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.